We'll be looking at the solution sheet for the Information Technology Paper 1 multiple choice examination. So I'm going to give you the answers for the paper which I did in the previous video. So for question 1, it says if the computer is performing calculations, it is called A, we have addition or subtraction, B, arithmetic, C, we have processing, D, we have saving. The correct answer is C. All right, we're going to go to question 2. If you want to process data at the fastest rate, which of the following computers would be needed? We have mobile devices, we have supercomputer, we have smartphone, we have desktop computer. So the answer is B. All right. Okay, so we're looking at question 3. Which of the following is a function of the control unit? 1, we have divide calculation, then we have add calculation, then we have instruction execution. So for A we have 3 only, B we have I and 2 only, C we have 2 and 3 only in Roman numerals, and in D we have answers 1, 2, and 3 in Roman numerals. So the answer is E. All right, so we're going to go to question 4. What is the advantage of cloud storage? So A, we have availability. B, we have more memories needed for the user's computer. We have training of this should be users of the computer is needed. We have the computer cannot access cloud storage if the internet is not available. The answer is A, availability. Okay, so that's 4. The answer is A. All right, question 5. Laser technology is used to store data in which of the following storage media? A, we have flash drive, we have memory, we have compact disk read-only memory, and we have hard drive. Which answer did you choose? The correct answer is C. All right, we're going to go to question 6. An embedded computer system is used in which of the following? We have magnetic storage, we have memory stick, we have dishwasher, we have sound speakers. The correct answer is C. How many answers did you get correct so far? We're going to go to question 7. John did his technical drawing examination on a multiple choice answer sheet. Which input device that is listed below can be used to read the pencil marks on his answer sheet? A, we have OCR. B, we have OMR. C, we have light pen. D, we have MICR. The correct answer is OMR. All right. 8. To the output of building drawings can be used using which of the following devices? We have A, plotter, B, dot matrix printer, C, digital scanner, D, OMR. The correct answer is A. All right, I hope you got that one correct. All right, let's look at question 9. Which one of the following is a hard copy? We have A, a news report broadcasted on a television station. B, a bill made by a printer. C, an image on a monitor. D, a photograph on a screen made by a multimedia projector. The correct answer is B. How many answers did you get correct so far? Alright, 10. An advanced graphic card can be used for which, this should be which, of the following tasks. We have software development for A, B, browsing the web, C, writing a book, D, editing a video. The correct answer is D. Part 11. The processing speed is measured in A, slot expansion, B, ALU, C, fetch, D, hertz. The correct answer is D. Okay, let's look at question 12. Computer programs that do specific tasks are known as A, all-purpose software, B, special purpose software, C, custom-made software, D, on-demand software. The correct answer is B. All right, let's look at question 13. Which of the following best describes the term software interfaces? We have A, it is a link between the computer and the user. B, it is a storage of data. C, it is a set of network devices. D, it is a software application used for data processing. The correct answer is A. Did you get that one right? All right. 14. A desktop computer is turned on by Tom. He waits for 6 minutes, however, nothing is shown. He decides to do some troubleshooting. Which of the following is the cause of the problem? So we have A, the mouse is not connected. B, the monitor's electrical cable is not connected. C, the UPS cable is loose. D, the touchscreen cable is loose. The correct answer for question 14 is B. All right, let's look at question 15. How many questions did you get right so far? A user who is blind wants to use a computer. Which interface would the person need to use a computer? We have A, tablet, B, Braille, C, voice over the internet protocol, D, a sound sensor. The correct answer is B. Our question 16. A document that was sent by email is known as A, soft copy, B, read only, C, turnaround document, D, output. The correct answer is A. All right, let's go to 17. Which of the following defines the term verification? So we have A, this is performed to make sure that the data entered matches the original source. B, it is an automatic check that the computer does to make sure that the data entered is sensible and reasonable. C, this is the use of a touch screen to input data. D, this is the process of troubleshooting a computer system. The correct answer is A. All right, let's go to question 18. If you want to increase the storage capacity of a laptop, which one of the following can be used? We have A, and we have ALU, B, CU, C, memory card, D, magnetic tape. The correct answer is C. All right, let's go to question 19. If information is stored on files on a cloud account, how are the files accessed by the computer? We have A, stepped, B, remote, C, sequential, D, remote step. The correct answer is C. Our question 20. What does the term data mean in information technology? A, we have raw facts. B, process information. C, data with a formula. D, data in a file. The correct answer is A. All right, let's go to question 21. Two students want to transfer data between two smartphones. Which of the following is suitable? We have A. Bluetooth, B. Twisted pair, C. Coaxial cable, D. Long wave. The correct answer is A. All right, let's look at question 22. Which of the following defines the term file transfer protocol? So we have A. Social media, B. Virtual messaging, C. Internet service provider, D. The uploading or downloading of data to or from a remote computer. The correct answer is D. So it's uploading or downloading data to or from a remote computer. Let's look at question 23. Which of the following terms define the term uniform resource locator? So we have A. Web address, B. Switch address, C. A modem address, D. A router address. The correct answer is A. All right, let's look at question 24. A router in a network can be used to A. Make websites, B. Connect firewalls, C. Connect memory cards, D. Connect LANs in a metropolitan area network. The correct answer is D. 25. A private tutor wants to use online method to give his students access to their grades and test scores. He could use which one of the following? Put a comma here. So we have A. Simulation software, B. Word processing software, C. V-learning, D. Computer assisted learning. Which one did you choose? The correct answer is D. All right, let's look at 26. Which one of the following defines the term phishing? So we have A. Fraudulently sending messages purporting to be from formal companies to ask persons for their personal information. B. Installing a server for a network. C. Assigning a domain name. D. Installing a firewall. The correct answer is A. Let's go to question 27. Which one of the following defines the term cybercrime? A. Using the internet to track criminals. B. Resources that are available for law enforcement. C. Any criminal acts that uses a computer network or the internet. D. Online assignment of court cases. So which one is the best definition for cybercrime? It would be C. All right. 28. Which of the following defines the term electronic eavesdropping? A. Making a false alarm that there's a fire. B. The use of electronic devices to view an online discussion between two persons without them knowing. C. Sending emails to deny someone their right to access their account. D. Sending emails that are false. The correct answer is B. Let's go to question 29. Which one of the following defines the term encryption? You have A. Installing a memory card. B. A process that makes data unreadable to unauthorized persons. C. The use of a firewall to prevent access to a network. D. Making a hard drive secure. The correct answer is B. Let's go to question 30. Which of the following is a method to protect data? A. Implement access controls to sensitive data. B. Eliminate the use of backup. C. Installing a router in the network. D. Using a switch in all networks. The correct answer is A. Did you get it correct? Good job if you did. Or question 31. Which of the following is a job function of a webmaster? A. Monitor website performance. B. Installing a server for a network. C. Training a new user how to use a software program. D. Fixing a hard drive that is defective. The correct answer is A. Question 32. Which of the following can be used for physical restrictions in data security? Roman numeral 1, surveillance cameras. 2, smart cards. 3, alarms. All right, so here are the options. A, 1 only. B, 1 and 2 only. C, 2 and 3 only. D, 1, 2, and 3. That's the Roman numerals. So the correct answer is D. All right, let's look at question 33. Which one of the following defines the term computer crime? A. The use of computers to do illegal activities. B. The police using computers to solve crimes. C. The police using computers to monitor persons on bail. D. Using computers to keep a database of crimes committed. So the definition for computer crime is the use of computers to do illegal activities. So the answer is A. Let's look at question 34. Using information that someone published and submitting it as your own work is known as A. Publishing. B. Copyright. C. Plagiarism. D. Teleconferencing. The correct answer is C. Let's look at question 35. If workers are working from their homes instead of being in the company's office, this arrangement is known as A. Relocation. B. Temporary staff. C. E-learning. D. Telecommuting. The correct answer is D. Let's look at question 36. In word processing, mail merge is A. Sending emails using an electronic method. B. A copy and paste feature in word processing. C. Emailing different letters to different persons. D. Creating a common letter that is personalized for many recipients. The correct answer is D. Let's look at question 37. In word processing, the cut and paste feature is used for which of the following, right? So A, to remove a part of a paragraph and place it in another location. B, to delete a part of the document. C, to copy a part of the document to another area on a different page. D, to delete a page in the document. So the best answer would be A. Right? 38. When you're making a website, which one of the following needs to be taken into consideration? A. The persons who will use the information. B. Which server will be needed to store the web pages if the website is not working? C. The bandwidth. D. The internet speed. The best answer is A. All right, that's the best answer. All right, 39. Which of the following is done after a website is published? We have A. Regularly updating content. B. Updating the firewall. C. Assigning the compiler. D. Creating the images. The best answer is A. Let's go to question 40. Which of the following defines the term hyperlink? A. A connection to the firewall. B. A hard drive connection to web pages. C. A link on a web page that allows the viewer to go to another web page or website. D. The purchasing of a domain name for a website. The correct answer is C. Let's look at question 41. In a spreadsheet, texts that are labels are A. Aligned to the left in the cell. B. Aligned to the right in the cell. C. Aligned in the center of the cell. D. Always placed in the title area. The correct answer is A. 42. To enhance the readability and presentation of the information in a spreadsheet, which of the following is used? A. Multimedia. B. Calculation. C. Abstraction. D. Formatting. Which answer did you choose? The correct answer is D. Or 43. In a spreadsheet, the term merge and center means A. Center the title for all the selected rows. B. Center the title for all the selected sheets. C. Center the title for all the selected columns. D. Center the title for all the selected pages. The correct answer is C. Question 43. In a spreadsheet, which of the following is a formula? We have A, which reads add open bracket B1, comma, B3, close bracket. We have option B, equal sum, open bracket, B1, colon or through B3, close bracket. We have C, which is equal C6 star star C9, and D, we have equal B6 plus B10. Which one did you choose? Did you choose A, B, or C? The correct answer is D. Which of the following is best suited to determine the interest payment for 12 months? A. We have word processing. B. Database. C. Presentation software. D. Spreadsheet. The correct answer is D. 46. Which of the following defines the term primary key? A. It is an external link to related tables. It is an internal link to related tables. C. It is an associated link to the two tables or more. C. It is an unique identifier for each record. The correct answer is D. 47. In a database, what is meant by the term query? We have a table used to store data. B is a request for data. C, linking two or more tables. D, saving tables. The correct answer is B. Okay, question 47. In a database, a foreign key is A, maintaining data as first entry. B, the main data entry. C, a form that has all the records for the rows that are in the table. D, a table whose column is linked to the primary key in a different table. The answer is D. Or 49. Which of the following data type is best suited for the field that has the names of the students in a database? We have A, number, B, money, C, word, D, text. The correct answer is D. Okay, question 50. How many questions did you get correct so far? All right, let's go back to question 50. In a database, a table is which of the following? We have A, the name assigned to all related data. B, a link that searches for specific data. C, a set of data stored in columns and rows. D, a form that is stored in a database. The correct answer is C. All right, let's go to question 51. P, Q, R are variables that are assigned the following values. So we have P equal 5, Q equal 2, R equal 3. And this is the question that is related to this statement up here. Which of the following statements evaluates to true? So we have A, P plus Q equals 9, or Q less than or equal to R. B, Q is less than R and P is equal to Q. C, R is less than P and R is equal to Q. D, Q is less than R and R is less than P. The correct answer is D. Let's go to question 52. The following is an algorithm. What will be printed for C? So C is equal to 4, D is equal to C plus 1, C, the next step, C is equal to C minus 2. The next statement is C is equal to D plus C. And then the algorithm, the final step in this question, print C. So the correct answer is, what answer did you get? 7, which is B. Okay, let us go to question 53. Which of the following displays numbers in ascending order? So for A, we have 4i equals 3 to 6, print I. B, m equals 1. While m is less than or equal to 7, print m. And we have m is equal to m plus 1 and while. C, for g equal 4, add 3. The next statement is until G equals 3 times 4, and then we're printing G. The next option for D is T is equal to 2. T is equal to 7. When T is less than 7, print T. So which answer did you get for question 53? The correct answer for which of the following algorithms displays 4 numbers in ascending order? The correct answer is A. Did you get it correct? All right. Question 54. Which of the following represents the pseudocode? The statement represents the pseudocode for the statement print letter in a flow chart diagram, right? So we have A, we have print letter in this oval. B, we have the print letter in this parallelogram. C, we have print letter in this rectangle. D, we have print letter in this diamond. So which one would be the correct answer? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is B. Okay. 55. Which of the following terms does not change during the execution of a program? We have A, variable, B, stock, C, end, D, constant. The correct answer is D. 56. Which of the following is a high-level language? We have A, object code, B, compiler, C, Sentinel value, D, Pascal. The correct answer is D. 57. Which of the following is a step in the problem-solving cycle? We have A, storing entries, B, backup, C, variables, D, evaluation. The correct answer is D. Okay, 58. The lowest level programming language is A, machine language, B, interpreter, C, compiler, D, high level language. The correct answer is A. 59. Which of the following defines the term syntax error? A, a mistake in the code that does not adhere to the rules of the programming language. B, a runtime error that happens if the computer's memory is full. C, a time that the computer is not working. D, all the hard drives are full. The correct answer is A. 60. Which of the following is a selection control statement? A, turn next. B, while x is less than 5. C, nth true. D, if then. Which answer did you choose? The correct answer is D. All right, so this is the answer for the previous video which I made yesterday, and these are the answers for all of the questions. How many answers did you get correct? You can put the comment in the comment section if you got all of them correct. All right, so we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video and hope that you got all of the questions right. So this paper is the solution sheet for the video which I made yesterday. So please take care until then. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to make a web page. So take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.